Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a green screen comp. So here's our stock footage. It looks like they added this green after the fact. And then here's our final. Let's break it down. We have the TV clip or the original element on top, and then the insert for the TV is actually underneath. So let's start off with our TV element. I did this on the color page, and there's a variety of ways you could do this. I just did it with a curve window. So if we go to our power windows here, I selected curve, and then I drew around the outside edge of the TV screen. And to get this to work, you do have to invert it. So I turned on the invert right here. So this little square with a circle in the middle. And then you have to have your alpha output on. And if you don't see that, it's this little blue dot here. Right click anywhere in this area and just choose add alpha output. What I'm going to do is drag that over to here and connect it, and that'll basically cut a hole. If you have the invert off, it's going to look like this, and it basically excludes everything except what's in the hole. So now you can see we see the green that was originally there. So if we connect the invert, now we have a hole cut, which will let whatever's underneath through. Now for the second clip here for the TV image, I actually blurred it up a little bit and changed the color just a hair. So here's the difference on that. And if we full screen it, you can see it was just a little too clean and crisp, and I gave it a little bit of a blur and a little bit of a gain change. That way it looked a little more glaring. And then as far as getting it to fit inside of the TV here, if we shut the TV off, you can see here's what our image is sitting like. What I did was keep the TV on. If we go down to our image, I have transform. I did all this on the edit page. So if we shut our TV overlay off, this is what this image looked like, just a flat image. And then if we turn our transform back on, I basically just zoomed it back, gave it a little bit of an angle and a little bit of a pitch rotation. So now it fits in where this TV screen was. And that's about it. So there's a few different ways you could do this, but that's a power window way to comp in a TV. All right, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.